Don't work them in, Spence.
I'm not.
Don't walk backwards. Let them fight. That's a nice one, bro.
That's a hog. Watch the prop. Watch
Yep,
the prop.
yep.
Follow him.
I am.
That's a nice one, Spence. Don't give any slings. He lip hook? Yeah. Yeah, baby. But you fucking...
Nice, my friend.
That's a fucking toad, bro. I'm gonna fucking...
Woo!
Oh, shit, watch the toad, bro.
She's running.
Drag.
Jeez, freaking
There you go.
dude took off.
Yeah, they fucking do that.
Nicholas, let me see your poles. Just because he's up there right now, I can't get around him.
Watch the trolling mode, bro.
Yeah, I'm watching. He's just going in circles.
Walk around me. Walk around me.
Yep. Oh, there he goes again. There he goes again.
Walk around me. Sugar.
Yeah, hold on. Running for the banks.
I let him run to the bank.
He can run to the bank all day long. He can jump around our shore for us.
I think he's...
You want roll the slack and roll to him.
I am.
You want to keep him away from that trolling mode. I feel fucking... I almost want to... Oh, he's a fucking toad, homeboy. Easy.
Yeah. Hold on. Yep. Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, baby. On the silver one. That's a fucking toad. He's a chunk.
Look at the hook. The hook is out.
The hook is out. The hook is out. That's a chunky, bro.
Look, the hook.
That's a fucking fat hen, bro.
Yeah, I see it.
That's a fat hen.